Hey, what's up, people? I hope y'all are doing good. Today, we're going to be talking about the Galaxy A52 5G, and we're going to go over several reasons why you might want to pick this phone up over something like this, which is the Galaxy S21. The first reason why you might want to consider the Galaxy A52 5G is price. The Galaxy A52 5G is a $500 phone in the United States, whereas the Galaxy S21 is $800. Of course, you do get a lot of premium features on the S21 that are not found on the A52, but depending on your needs, they could be less important. This includes things like an IP68 rating versus an IP67, USB Type-C 3.2 versus 2.0, or even DeX support. Since this isn't a full comparison between these two phones, I'm not going to get into the details too much. However, if you want to see a full comparison, let me know and I'll add it to the list. With that being said, let's move on to reason number 2, which is the micro SD card slot. Even though the Galaxy S21 may have better storage options, the A52 5G has micro SD card support. This makes upgrading your storage easy using something like a Lexar micro SD card, which I'll link in the description. Not only is it easy, but it's cheap, since a 1066X card will set you back around $20 for 128 gigs. Moving on to reason number 3, and that's the headphone jack. Even though the A52 doesn't feature an incredible DAC, I know many people that are going to love that 3.5mm headphone jack. Whether it's for connecting headphones, your car stereo, speakers, or DJ equipment, it's definitely useful. Not only does the S21 not have a headphone jack, but Samsung stopped including dongles inside the box. Reason number 4 is a bigger battery. The Galaxy A52 5G features a 4500 mAh battery, whereas the Galaxy S21 features a 4000 mAh battery. Of course, with that bigger battery comes better battery life, and based off of my use, the A52 outlasts the S21. The A52 even retains the 25-watt fast charging that the S21 has. Samsung did have to cut a few corners to keep the cost down, so the A52 doesn't have wireless charging or reverse wireless charging. But for many people, having a larger battery with better battery life could be more important, especially with that lower price point. If you consume a lot of content on your phone, then reason number 5 is for you, and that's a bigger display. Both the Galaxy S21 and A52 have the same 1080p resolution, and what's great is that the A52 even retains the 120Hz refresh rate. Even though the S21 display is better in terms of brightness and clarity, for a phone in this price range, I think the display on the A52 is great, and you shouldn't be disappointed. Plus, the best part of having a slightly larger display is the improved content consumption experience. Not to mention, if you're someone that suffers from vision problems, you'll be able to see what's on your screen a little bit easier after making the necessary adjustments. Reason number 6 to pick up the A52 5G over the S21 is MST support when it comes to Samsung Pay. It really is a shame that Samsung decided to remove MST support from the S21 series. Not only did it make Samsung Pay the most universal form of mobile payments, but it was also a great reason to invest in a Samsung phone. Luckily, the A52 still has MST support, so you can continue using Samsung Pay with older credit card swipers that don't feature NFC. Reason number 7 comes down to the cameras. The Galaxy A52 5G features a higher megapixel front-facing camera and a higher megapixel main rear-facing camera. Now, I know this isn't as simple as it sounds, and I'm not going to lie and say the cameras on the A52 are better, because they're not. They are good though, and having that extra resolution gives you more flexibility to crop in for 1:1 or other aspect ratios. This could help you out when posting to Instagram or other social media platforms. This is especially the case with the main camera on the back side, since 64 megapixels gives you quite a bit of room for cropping. Lastly, reason number 8 is you get a charger inside the box with the A52 5G. I get it, I know it's for the environment. But there are studies that showed many other things these companies can do besides removing things like dongles and chargers, which could be more impactful to saving the environment. Alright, so there you go. That was 8 different reasons why you might want to consider picking up this cheaper alternative to the Galaxy S21. The A52 5G is actually a really good phone for its price. You get a lot of premium features that are included in the S21 series inside this sub $500 phone. Let me know what you think of the Galaxy A52 5G. Do you want to see more videos on this phone? And do you want to see a full in-depth comparison between these two? Let me know down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one.